Anything, yeah, that we started doing, and women get involved, like women becomes part of it. Just know that that particular adventure will go deeper. Now, the Rivers women have now joined the call to unite the Igbos in River State. This is a powerful move, and by the grace of God, we have succeeded. Not that we shall succeed, we have succeeded. So thank you for every person. Thank you every person that has been with us. Keep watching this video and find out what is happening here. Thank you.
Shake your body. Please, can we get just one word from our women leader? Just one word to people out there that will be watching on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. After that, our mother, then finally our mother give us one word. Mommy, over to you.
Please, I'm telling the Rivers women to please look for us, search for Hanese women. We are out here, we are good. I won't mono. Ndita ijayemono. Umuna ijayemono. Umwa ijayemono. I want Hanese. Hanese for life. Hanese for life. Hanese.
Every woman must count in River State. Go out there, they're in the marketplace, they're in the shop, they're in the house, they're everywhere. They must count. Honestly.
We are not trying to be Igbo. We are not looking for Igbo to protect us. We are Igbos. You can choose to say whatever you want to say. You can hold any opinion about Livingston, but I dare you. I dare you. Whoever it is, I dare you. So you cannot, because of a post-war script and narrative, come here to undermine our identity. It is a colonial script to divide us, so we become diminished in the face of our neighbors. Our neighbors know our capacity. They know our courage. They know we are a global institution. That Igbos all over the world. Igbos all over the world. We are more than 80 million. I was talking to Chief Mike Okiro earlier, and he was talking to me about a man called Njoko, who is from Kenya. And he mentioned to me a particular Theophilus Okiro, who was one time minister in the government of Kenya. Am I correct, sir? People have said, he's an Imo State man, and I asked, when he joined the police, did he join because he wanted to be IG and took Rivers slots? At the time he was IG, we prided in this state that our son is the Inspector General of Police. And you're coming to say he is 75 and going. Today is this year is the 76th year on earth. What else? He has seen it all. We are not looking for endorsement. We are not looking for recommendation. We are not looking for acceptance. Africa survives on the strength of Igbo. Africa survives on the strength of Igbo. Every Ikwane man you see is an Igbo man. You can choose to deny it.